Today, we're going to show you how to replace the screen on an iPhone 13 Pro Max step by step. Before opening the device, it's best to apply a bit of heat to soften the adhesive. Begin by carefully prying around the screen. You'll want to do this gently and slowly to avoid damaging the screen further. With the screen lifted, let's move on to the internals. Start by removing the lower bracket on the mainboard, which holds the battery connector in place. This is held down by 3 tri-wing screws. Once the bottom bracket is off, disconnect the battery to prevent any short-circuiting. After that, gently disconnect the LCD from the mainboard. The next step is removing the proximity sensor. You'll see a bracket holding it in place. Remove the 4 screws and disconnect the connector. Once the screen is free, you will see the proximity sensor on the back of the old screen secured by 3 screws. Remove those screws and then apply some heat or isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive. Gently remove the proximity sensor from the old screen and transfer it to the new one, and replace the bracket. Now it's time to reassemble everything. Start by reconnecting the proximity sensor and LCD connector, followed by the battery. Once everything is connected and secure, power on your device to make sure everything is working properly before putting the final screws in. Make sure to add new adhesive tape or glue to ensure the screen stays securely in place. Finally, replace the bottom 2 pentalobe screws, and your iPhone 13 Pro Max screen replacement is complete.